to learn how to make your own paper bag Wookie. Come on, follow along.
Materials. For this project you will need a piece of black paper, a piece of white paper, a brown crayon or marker, a glue stick, scissors, and a brown bag. Step 1. Cut the paper. With the black paper, we're going to need a long strip for the belt, 2 round eyes, and a small oval nose. And with the white paper, we're going to need to cut some teeth and some small squares or rectangles for details on the belt. Step 2. Draw fur. Using your brown crayon or marker, we're going to make some long or short little vertical lines to cover your Wookie with fur. We know they're very, very furry, so don't feel bad about going crazy. And don't forget the face.
All done.
Step 3. Glue the eyes and the nose. Now we're going to take those 2 round circles we cut out on the black paper, and we're going to glue them to the bottom of what would be the bottom of the bag to make some Wookie eyes. And that tiny little black oval we're going to turn into a nose. Step 4. Glue teeth. Now we're going to turn that little face upside down so we can glue the teeth into the underside of it.
Work on the teeth.
It's a little bit tricky. Once you fold it down, you'll see your Wookie teeth. Step 5. Decorate the belt. Using those white little squares and rectangles that we created, we are going to glue them onto that black strip of paper to decorate your Wookie's utility belt.
Good job, next one.
And you can do this any way that you want. Just go ahead and glue those squares to the belt. Step 6. Glue the belt. Now you can take your belt and glue it diagonally across your Wookie. Step 7. Trim the belt. Once it's glued, you can trim the edges, and voila! You've made a Wookie puppet. Say, may the 4th be with you.
May the 4th be with you.